Good morning, everyone. It's Nancy Narden, and I will be your host today. We have some very special guests. The first I'd like to welcome is Bryan Murphy. He's the Sales Enablement Lead with Rackspace. Bryan, welcome.
Thank you for having us.
Also here today with us from Rackspace is Barbara Trevino, and she is the Channel Sales Enablement Lead. Welcome, Barbara.
Thank you, Nancy. I appreciate you having us also.
Rackspace is a global technology company focused on applications, data security, multi-cloud and hybrid cloud services. We currently have, I would say, roughly about 600 global sellers and approximately 3,000 partners here in the US. So we've been doing some form or fashion of sales enablement now probably for about 10 years, more specifically with our current sales enablement platform, Seismic, since January of last year. So, our goal is to really address anything that's sales or revenue impacting, right? So that's everything from content management and creation to sales operations and process, and identifying what are those key areas that's really going to impact our sellers by saving time or increasing revenue. We have quite a bit of experience with sales enablement platforms. I've managed or used at least 5 different ones. Our decision to move towards Seismic is we really required a company that was going to partner with us on our journey and really support us in our efforts. With Seismic, it's been terrific. I mean, they've been with us on every step of the journey so far. March of last year, we went through a complete rebrand and refresh of our messaging, colors, logos, everything. So we had kind of this stockpile of, I think, 10,000 content items that we essentially needed to redo and repopulate overnight. It was key that we had a platform that would allow us to handle that amount of swap in, swap out, and really deliver it globally. And Seismic was able to take care of that for us, through their different integrations and automations that we put in place. And so that was a huge success for us.
For me, being the only channel sales enablement resource, manually uploading content to 3 repositories, I was kind of running out of bandwidth to keep up with all the versions and the updates. So essentially what happened was the integration project and the gamification project merged together. And because of the integration, we were able to access the same content and the training materials for our direct sales team and our channel partners. And now they can really deliver a consistent message and overall have a better customer experience. And it definitely drives more platform adoption.
For us, the main integration is going to be with our marketing workflow or marketing content management system. That's been a huge integration, and something that really kind of drove us towards Seismic was their ability to help us kind of set that up and get it going. We use integration with Slack. We also have an integration with Outlook, and then also an integration with Salesforce. It's also great because it puts the content where the seller is. So if they're on a plane or using their mobile device, or they're inside Salesforce working on an opportunity, or following up on an email, they have immediate access to all of the same content right away.
Our sellers and our partners do have access to the same partner profile in Doc Center. So that way sales reps can see what our partner sees in their portal, but our sales reps also have access to their internal only resources as well.
With Outlook, it's a pretty cool integration that allows you to easily find that content and attach that tracking link to get that live insights back. So that makes that piece even more valuable.
From the beginning, Seismic understood our desire to really enable and grow our partner ecosystem. And we definitely wanted to leverage a platform that provided partner licensing and overall a better user experience. The customer success team of Seismic was definitely able to understand our needs and deliver above and beyond what we expected. Overall, not only has Seismic equipped us with a powerful platform, they've definitely brought awareness to our partner program, which drives more traffic to the portal. It's a very interactive user experience for both parties.
Since having Seismic, we've seen a great adoption. I mean, we're sitting right about 80%. Using Seismic's Live Send and Live Insights combined, we now have a much better understanding of what content our sales folks are using as well as our customers.
The biggest surprise for me is I didn't know that the adoption was going to be that successful. Coming out of a lot of meetings, the first question is always, is it in Seismic?
We've been listening to Bryan Murphy and Barbara Trevino of Rackspace. Thank you both.
You're
Yeah,
welcome.
thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
for having